Britain had a rabbit problem in New Zealand, so they introduced a predator to fix it. The predator ignored the rabbits completely and nearly wiped out every native bird on the islands instead. When European settlers arrived in New Zealand in the 1800s, they brought rabbits with them. The rabbits thrived. Farmland was being devastated. Something had to be done. The solution seemed obvious. Bring in natural predators. Stoats, weasels and ferrets were shipped from Britain and released across New Zealand in the 1880s to hunt the rabbits down. There was one problem nobody had bothered to think through. New Zealand's native birds had evolved for millions of years in complete isolation, with no land predators whatsoever, none. The islands had no native mammals at all, except bats. So the birds never developed any instinct to fear small furry creatures running toward them on the ground. The stoats arrived, took one look at the rabbits, and then discovered something far easier to catch. Ground-dwelling birds that had absolutely no idea they were supposed to run away. The kiwi, the kakapo, the takahe, the huia. Birds that nested on the ground, couldn't fly, and had spent millions of years evolving in a place where nothing wanted to eat them. They were completely defenseless. The huia went extinct. The kakapo was nearly wiped out entirely. Today, there are only around 250 left on Earth, every single one monitored and protected individually by conservation teams. The kiwi became endangered on its own national symbol. The rabbits, meanwhile, remained a problem. New Zealand is still dealing with stoats today. Trapping programs cost millions every year. The damage done in a few decades of catastrophically bad planning has taken over a century to partially address. The road to ecological collapse was paved with one very confident idea about rabbits. Follow for more improbable human decision-making.